Hey, what's up guys, Ashwij here back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cool sky foliage style YouTube banner on your Android device just like this one. So now let's get started. So now we are in Pixellab. Now just click on this pen button and edit your text. I'm going to write here name and press OK. Now just click on this A button and go to fonts, and I'm going to select here this font. The font link is in the description below, you can download it from there, and also make the size something bigger. Click here and make the background full transparent, change the format to PNG and just save it to your gallery. Now just go to PS Touch. Okay, so now we are in PS Touch. Click on this plus button and change the resolution to 3000 by 1000 and press OK. Now just click on this N button and click on fill and stroke. Change the color to this cool looking blue color, just like this, and press OK. Now just click on this plus button and click on photo layer. Now just import, I'm going to import here this leaves. Now just remove the background by using the magic wand tool, just like this, and click on clear. Now just place it just like this. Okay, so now just click here and make a copy of it and place it on the other side, kinda like this. Okay, so now just duplicate the layer and move it, make it something bigger and place it just like this and press OK. Now make it blur some like 8% or 5% and press OK. Now make a copy of it and place it on the other side just like this. Now just add some drop shadow to it and press OK. Now just merge down all of these layers together and press OK. Now just go to circle selection tool and draw a circle kinda like this, and now just click on this N button and click on fill and stroke. Change the color to full white and place it in the middle just like this. Now just import all of the other things from the folder. It is in the link of the folder is in the description below, you can download it from there and just follow the steps and copy it, because I'm speeding up the video now. So guys, finally all the things are done. Now just I'm going to import cloud stuff here to give a cool looking feel to it. You can see how I am placing it. You should place it properly, and after we place it properly here, we will remove this circle just like this. You can see it looks cool. Now just go to the background and take the eraser tool. You can see my settings here. Just erase some of the parts. You can see it. I'm going to speed up the video. It takes a little bit of time, just like this, so it will mix up with the environment and background. It looks really cool. Now if you want, you can import more clouds here. I'm going to do so. You can see what I have done more in it. You should use your own creativity for making it more better. I have add lot many stuffs in this banner pack. It takes lot and little bit of time to make this type of banners. Okay, So guys, finally I'm done with lot many things. Now just I'm going to give a cool blue looking color tone or whatever you can say it, to make the background mix up with, or make the sky little bit more cool. I'm almost done with this here. I'm just going to make little bit more things. Now I am done with it. I have added little bit more birds and small creatures here. Now just save it guys. Now it is optional thing, you can do it, or it is or depends on you. Just import the same banner from the pack, duplicate it. Now just go to saturations and increase it to 40 or 30, whatever you look, whichever looks perfect to you. Now just change the first the duplicate layer to overlay, and second to liner dodge, and bring down the opacity. I'm going to now just make these corners little bit of black, just like this. And now just I'm going to blur it and just place it here. Okay, so now we are finally done with it. Now just save it and it will going to look like this. So yeah, that's for today's video guys. Leave a like down below if you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time with lot more stuffs.